Right now I don't have a store. I have only a body of work and I have demand. I have to make this art my business. I plan to be very open about this process and earn a lot of money and tell people how to do the same thing with Printify. I'm Laura Belevica and I'm a shadow storyteller. I have to go back to explain why I have all this art that I want to put and monetize on consumer products. I wanted to study art and my family discouraged me from doing it because they thought that it would be not a very lucrative profession. And so I ended up going to architecture school and then worked in China for 10 years, building and designing buildings. While I was doing that, I was also still thinking about drawing. So I really started drawing a lot more, became more confident with drawing, and then I heard about Instagram. People said, you have to be on Instagram if you're an artist. So I said, all right, let me do this thing. And I figured out you have to post frequently. So I thought, okay, well, I have to draw a drawing a day. I completely by accident found out this way of drawing that involves finding natural objects that are all around me. And in fact, I did one photography of one found object with a shadow, and then I did 2 drawings. So it was actually 3 posts a day. I have more than 600 drawings now, and I've had an exhibition in Santa Monica. I live in LA, and I have people that want to have my art. And now I'm thinking I have to make this art my business. I need to find a way to reach a global audience. I want to become rich with this thing, right? So I need to monetize my art. Printify is right now the key to unlocking the monetizing part of it, because I can make as much art as I want and post it on Instagram, but if I don't monetize it, at some point I have to stop doing it. The idea with Printify is that we will pick a selection of designs, order samples, see what comes back, see if that works, and as soon as it works, we will launch the first line of products with my own store and go from there. I plan to be very open about this process and earn a lot of money and tell people how to do the same thing with Printify.